Surprise na yung kanyang boyfriend. Ang sweet naman ni girl. Ayun siya. Kasyang alam-alam. Hello! Surprise! Ay, na-surprise ito. Yan na yung favorite mo, Doraemon. Pwede kiss? Saglit lang, di nakita. Sige pa. Wow! Na-surprise ka, Tol.
Akala ko ako ano yung pick up niya.
Tol, may isa pa siyang surprise. Mahal ko, may the Lord make your love increase and overflow for each other and for everyone else, just ours, thus for you. Philippians 1:19. Happy 37 months of love, and my prayer that your love may abound more and more in knowledge and depth and strength, patient. Whenever you go, I will go, and wherever you stay, I stay. I love you so much. Mahal ko. Love lots. Jorily. Uy, ang sweet. Okay. Happy Mansari sa inyo. Stay strong ha. Away lang na away. Wag lang walang hiwalayan. No? Diba? Ganun talaga ang love. True. Kami rin, oh, 'di ba? 7 years na kami, pero away lang ng away talaga. Kasama 'yan. Sige.
Thank you.
Yeah, sweet. Okay. Sige. Salamat ha.
Happy Mansari.
Happy Mansari.